Cockwood's just a little village. It's got a little inlet where the boats come in, a couple of pubs, and you can climb up into the top of the village. It's quite steep, so we'll have a little look what that's like. I'm sure I've been up there on the wheel before, but we'll have another look anyway. But anyone who's interested in looking at any videos of the electric unicycle, please go back, look at my channel, and have a look. See there the path, it's not great, is it? On the right, for cycling, I don't think. So on these circumstances, I'd rather be in the road. Often this road is flooded when we've had a bit of rain because the drains aren't great. You come down here and there'll be a quarter of an inch of water right across it. Not all the way down, but certain sections of it there is. That's the way you pass someone on a bike. Well done. And thank you. There's Cockwood. Don't need gloves at the moment, it's still quite warm. I'm going to do a little left here into School Hill. And this is the top of Cockwood. Should get some nice views. On the electric bike, you just keep pedalling, and I'm in sports mode at the moment, so it gives you the best assist. Not necessarily any extra speed, but it just means you can carry on pedaling as if you're on the flat, and get you up the hill. So you can go left a little bit higher. If you're enjoying the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for notifications of more videos. There's a pub down the other side called the Ship Inn, and that was half the side of the pub fell down a year or so ago. About a year ago, I think. Just down that right there. We'll come back to that. We'll just go to the top here. This is all uphill, and the bike just flies up. And obviously these sort of bikes, they give you 60-mile range on the Carrera Crossfire, but nowhere near it. I'm sure it's 60 miles. Check on the stats on my description. But like I say, I think I've got 45 possibly on Eco, and that's on a flat route all the way down the Exe Trail and back. Hardly any climbing. Just turned round, drop into the village. Yeah, I was talking about range on these bikes. I think I've got about 43, 45 out of this one on Eco. I'm about 12.5 stone, about 79 kilos, 175 pound I think, 170 pound, 6 foot tall. Not particularly heavy, but when they do the range test, they must use someone who's really light. And that range test I did was on a really flat route, flat as you can get more or less along the river, up and down the River Exe. Some little tiny inclines, but nothing out of the ordinary. That way I came up, wasn't it? So we'll go this way. I don't think it steps at the end. I'm probably wrong. Yeah, a really steep hill here. steps, is it? Just the side of the pub. Alright, you're right.
Yeah, you mate?
Yeah, good, thanks. There's a steep hill. No, that's not the pub, that's a house. This is the pub just round the corner. Looks like they're doing the whole pub. With a ship in at Cockwood. So the whole side of that pub fell down after heavy rain. So it looks like they're rebuilding the whole place by the looks of it. It's a big job. Just going to go over this little bit again. That's where they just came down from the right there. Not sure this takes me back to where I started. The tide's well out. Well, it's a quaint little place, isn't it? Steps there. More steps there. We'll end up back where we started, which is okay. We just circumnavigated little town, or village even. It's a primary school. You see the River Exe in front? There's the second pub on the left. That's the Anchor. Just to the left there, that's where the ship was. Unfortunately the tide's out today, so the harbour doesn't look great. And that is Cockwood. Hopefully you've enjoyed that little video. Please give it a like. Subscribe to the channel and you'll see me on the next one.